Hello, I'm Pavitra Yurajan. I'm leader of this team. From my Fitness Xplore Malaysia, the urban breeze space in the city of Pulau furnishes with numerous plant species. The city is known as holiday destinations. The city of Pulau has the specific problem of the modern cluster city. The aim of the project was to process a sustainable development and smart city concept in city of Pulau.
I'm Sudarshan Mahegan. I'm report creator of this team. Due to lack of parking, cars are parked everywhere. Some green areas are lost for primary function. The soil was lost and they were degraded. During the staging of festivals and concerts in the club, Puljani, the parks and green surface in the area of the Envy Monte Zero are caused by breaking of branches of trees and bushes.
Hi guys, I'm Devika Sigamani Vasilamani. I am research member of this team. As a solution, the city should hire more staff in care and maintenance department, increase recycle facilities around the whole city. Sustainable landscape is a new concept of designing parks or outdoor spaces in an urban environment. Investment in IoT-driven smart city tools and platforms may have promising potential. Their green spaces in city of Pulau, land that create electricity and multi-story parking, a comprehensive waste management plan, bicycle culture and forest expansion.
Hi, I'm Kashmir Mohammed. I am another member of research team. The imperfectible of IoT device or academic damage of IoT device installment in combination with cats and people can face challenges such as environmental species logging and fire. However, the material used for bikes such as aluminum, steel, rubber and carbon have a negative environment impact in terms of how they are acquired, treated and transported.
Hello guys, I'm Krishna Chandra Mogan. I'm artwork designer of this team. IoT Gadget Market should design products that are easy to dismantle, separate parts and use recycled materials while avoiding toxic suspension. Implement appropriate land use planning and regulation to prevent misuse of urban flora for grazing and address erosion and flooding risks. Adopt sustainable logging practice road program like the Forest Stewardship Council to protect biodiversity, soil and water in
Discover hydro terrace and vibrant green space in our city. Explore Francis cluster and beautiful hydro activity. The enjoy of connecting with neutral parks and rich corridor. Rediscover the identity of our city and enjoy new facilities and join us in creating a young, forward and innovation cluster city. Let's preserve our environment and create connection between history and neutral come and be a part of our extra energy.